How to log into Carter's credit card account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to log into your Carter's credit card account. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and search for Carter's credit card login. Now press enter on your keyboard. You will land on result page where you simply need to select the first link of Carter's credit card. Then you will land on the official interface of Carter's credit card where you can easily click on sign in button at top right corner of your screen. And the login page will appear on your screen where you simply need to enter your username and password. And you can easily click the I icon to check your password if needed. To save your credential, you can easily check mark remember me button. In case you forget the username or password, click on this link in order to recover. In case if you haven't created any account, you can click on register now and create one. After that, you can easily follow the instructions and then click on sign in button and then log into your Carter's credit card account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.